When I told people I was studying pharmacy, most of them assumed it was just about lab coats and chemicals.
But once I was here, I realized that pharmacy is a dynamic discipline centered on medicines, cures, and patient well-being.
That's because our program involves drug manufacturing, testing, and detailing. It is very interesting to study what a drug does to the body and how the body reacts to it.
I'm curious to know how a new drug is tested and approved for use. They can be toxic, and it is vital to ensure safety.
Research here isn't theoretical. Students publish papers, file patents, and work on funded projects.
The nanoscience lab and the cell culture lab look very interesting. I'm eager to find out more about nanoscience in pharmacy.
Industry exposure through internship, workshops, and guest lectures facilitate recruitment by pharma and biotech companies.
We also receive ample exposure to hospital and clinical pharmacy in addition to drug manufacturing.
This exposure changes how you think as a pharmacist. You stop seeing medicines in isolation. By the time we graduate, we are ready for hospitals, research labs, industry, or higher studies.
NGSMIPS is not just a place where we study pharmacy. It's a place where we learn to practice with responsibility.
College isn't just about academics. We have fests, concerts, and core memories in the making.
A pharmacy program built inside a world of pharma industry.